Well, here I am at the Intermat preview of the Hippodrome Paris-Longchamp racecourse in Paris, snowy Paris, meeting some of the exhibitors, finding out about some of the highlights that will be at the Intermat construction show set to take place in April this year, 2024. So I'm going to go in now and meet some of the exhibitors and find out what they're going to be showing.
For Volvo CE, here we have a Volvo Group level stand and we showcase the decarbonization at Intermat. So all our business units show their technologies to reduce the carbon footprint for all us and also for the customers. So we have the latest technology when it comes to electric machines. We show also a prototype of a fuel cell hydrogen hauler from Volvo CE. Our colleagues from Volvo Trucks have an electric truck, and we have an electric driveline for Volvo Penta. And also a big part on our stand will be like also services and solutions which we offer to our customers to also reduce their footprint with normal machines, but site optimizations and so on. These are also our team behind the exhibition. They have also like checked if the stand build can be also eco-friendly. So most parts have been checked so that we make the most case of decarbonization also on the stand level and event level.
Here we will have some very exciting new product on the Intermat 2024, and in particular in terms of innovation. We will have a demonstration area, and on this demonstration area we will have two completely amazing machines. This is two machines without cabin. The machine can work autonomously, so we will have one excavator and one dozer. They can work fully autonomously. Unfortunately on Intermat it will be complicated, so here we will use the radio control for those machines. But we will be pleased to show them during a demonstration and to show the technology and the power by innovation of Develon. We will also have a completely new concept on the wheel loader. It will be the name is a 250 FCEV for fuel cell electric vehicle. And this machine has the particularity to be powered by hydrogen system. And this concept also to provide the next versatility to the customer to be used also another type of energy, which is electric. So the machine has a system at the back of the machine that can be removed, the hydrogen part, and to be swapped by a power back of battery, making the machine 100% electric. So the end customer will be able to work with this kind of machine or with hydrogen energy or with electric energy. So this is something amazing that so far this is the first time it will be shown on the world, and it will be on Intermat on the Develon booth.
I can tell you that we have quite exciting number of machines to show at Intermat. Our focus is of course digitalization and electrification. And the electrification we will have a live eco demo show where we will show 5 electric machines focusing on PC210, our star in the 20-ton excavator range, and then PC33 with cabin version, and then PC138 short-tail excavator on demonstrations. 2 machines I cannot announce the exact names because this is a surprise for the show itself, but this is one of the highlights at the show.
During Intermat we are going to reveal for the first time in Europe on off-highway market our new B6.7H. So this is nitrogen combustion internal engines. So we want to address the new model of engines, part of our agnostic fuel range. So this new engines is going to be available as diesel, gas or hydrogen, and will have, let's say, the same performance as a diesel engines. This will allow an OEM to integrate the diesel version of this engine with the same manner is going to integrate a hydrogen version of this engine with a lot of, let's say, common parts, common installation. We will come along also with the storage solution in partnership with Nprox, and we will show on the show this storage solution at 700 bars. This gives, let's say, a good autonomy for usage of this machine.
We're just finding out a little bit more about some very exciting new vehicles that are going to be on display at Intermat from Bobcat. Yeah. So can you tell me a little bit about them and which ones we can or visitors can hope to see?
For sure, the most important concept for us, or new thing that we are showcasing at Intermat, it's Rogue X2. It's the second iteration of our previous Rogue X, and it's for the first time we are showcasing it in Europe, and it will be at Intermat itself. It's an autonomous loader, and it connects all the recent innovation we have. It combines autonomy, so it can navigate itself with using all the sensors and radars. The connectivity is secured by Machine IQ telematic systems, and it's also a sustainable product since it has no engine. It's all electric, it's full electric, so there are no hydraulics, no fluids, there are only electric engine, so it produces no pollutions, no emissions, and almost no noise.
It's an amazing looking machine, and I'm sure people will be excited to see it. But then also there's some slightly more traditional but pretty innovative new rotary telehandlers as well, which are debuting at this show.
For the first time we will be showcasing completely new range of rotary telehandlers. Rotary means that they can rotate 360. It's 9 stage 5 engines for Europe. 9 models, and in Bobcat we are really obsessed with comfort for drivers, for operators. So what we did, we have moved the cabin to the very front of the vehicle. So now the entrance door, it's in line with the front wheels. So there are 3 stairs, so you can directly enter the cabin. The cabin itself, it's patented cabin, and it offers the biggest front windshield on the market. It really goes from the bottom to the top. There is an obstacle view from the cabin. We have also put the dashboard to the corner, and all the improvements are happening within the cabin. As I said, we are really obsessed of operators' comfort.
The cabin is an amazing looking cabin, and again, I'm sure people will be very excited to see it.
Actually, it's patented, and we were inspired by cabin, people are using, for cranes.
It's almost like a sort of glass bubble that they sit in. It looks great. Well, we look forward to seeing them in real life at the show in April.
Yeah, see you there.
Thank you. Yeah, will do. Thanks very much.
We're very excited to come to Intermat. We've got 3 new products. First one is a new telescopic crawler crane, the TKE 750G. Second new product is a short radius excavator, the 380 SRLC-7. It's the biggest addition to our very large short radius range. And last but not least, super excited about that, is the SK520 LC-11E, which is a heavy excavator. And we'll all be bringing these to the Intermat show in Paris.
Excellent. Well, I look forward to it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Christophe, hi.
Hi.
Thanks for making a bit of time, and great to be here at the Intermat preview.
Yes.
Here in Paris, a lovely snowy Paris.
Yes. We're in the winter.
But yeah, can you tell me, it's been 6 years since the last Intermat.
Yes.
So it's coming now in April. What can we expect? I've been talking to people, and we'll be talking to some more people here today. But
What are you looking forward to? What's going to be maybe a bit new and different about this Intermat from what it was 6 years ago?
Yeah. Well, I think a lot of things have changed with regard to the format of Intermat, of making sure that both the exhibitors and the visitors are meeting with the right offer. So there will be around 1,000 exhibitors at the show, representing from OEMs, manufacturers, components, concrete, the whole construction sector. But what is important, we are in the transition phase today, and Intermat has been put under the decarbonization theme, and a lot of the exhibition will be about decarbonization, about the new machinery, new energies, how we can reduce the carbon footprint, the way we build, and the materials that we use, and this transition asks a lot of questions to the users, and what we really want for Intermat, both from the exhibitors but also the different conferences and TV sets we'll have on the show, is to explain and enlighten the visitors about these new technologies, digital technologies, and new materials that will be present at the show.
Excellent. The people I've spoken to, and I'm going to speak to some more people, decarbonisation is a really strong theme here, and lowering emissions. It's created a really important focus, I think.
Yes, I mean, you all know that the world is changing, the social demand is different, and therefore construction companies have to adapt the way they build and the building themselves and the infrastructure. So we and the show is really here to help meeting obviously exhibitors and visitors, but getting them to see getting the visitors to see the new technologies that is present, so that they can make choices in this transition. And a lot of questions around energy today on the machinery, and a lot of new machines will be present on the show. So it's quite important for construction companies to make choices today that will be important for their low carbon strategy.
Excellent. Well, I'm going to find out a bit more
Yes.
so get some more previews. But the big event is, of course, in April.
Yes.
When I expect it won't be snowing, but probably very beautiful Paris in the spring.
Yeah, it will. It's a nice place to be in Paris, and it will be a nice show. And we hope that we'll see a lot of visitors from the world coming to the show, and we are very excited. So it's the place to be on 24th April.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to it.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So during Intermat 2024 we will have 10 machines on our display, and 2 of those machines will be from our electric range. It is the Xaxis 55 EU6EB and the ZE 135 7EB model. You've all seen our range of electric machines during Bauma, and this is another chance to once more see them up close and bring them. The idea is to, of course, bring them closer to the market. Yes, well, the Xaxis 55 it is ready to order and it's ready for the market, and soon that will be also a possibility for the ZE, the 135, which is the largest in its range at the moment.
Yeah, that's the 13-ton, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So significant size for an electric machine.
It is.
And these electric machines, it ties in nicely with the whole theme of sustainability for the show.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Well, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
In Paris, in Intermat, what we want to show more is our loader, wheel loader. We are introducing our new wheel loader, which is 21 tons, 3.5 cubic meters. It's a machine with a Mercedes engine and a Rexroth hydraulics. So this machine we have designed more for small quarries and mining business, as well for methanization. As well, we will show the machines we are currently selling in Europe with some improvements. As I told you, we are, for example, in our 30 tons, we are now, our customers can have it with the blade, the blade on the machines up to 30 tons. We are as well showing our new 40 tons excavators with 2 pieces boom. This is a demand coming from Europe. And for sure we are showing our new generation of backloaders. We have a brand new generation we launched it last July in Europe, which is a very modern, it's the top of the backloaders now in the market. With a very good design, we improved the dimensions of the machine, more comfort in the cab. The joysticks are integrated on the seat with clever solutions for the daily operation of the machines. So we'll be glad to see you in Intermat in Paris.
And there will be many new machines to be shown in Intermat show, including our new compactors, our new telescopic handlers, our new material handlers, and also the reach staker. Among all these machines, there will be 4 electrical models, including 1 electrical excavator, 2 electrical compactors, and 1 electrical reach staker.
The electrified rollers, we have 1 meter and 1.2 meter tandem rollers that are fully electric. And these machines are standing for a typical day of work for this kind of machines. So that will be around 2.5 effective hours of work, but for an electric machine, effective work is moving, vibrating. If you are doing nothing, it's not effective work. And this fits typically to a day for that kind of machine on the normal job sites. The second machine is our BW 154 AP-5 or BW 174 AP-5 This machine is equipped as the electric roller with the Bomag microcockpit system, and this microcockpit system will give operators a good feeling about any way they want to operate the machine or any options they would like to display on the dashboard, thanks to profile which is specifically registered for them. And by the way, this machine has been also certified by an external certification organism in Germany for the platform, for ergonomics, for access. And I give you a rendezvous for Intermat for the first day. Please come to our booth. There will be a big surprise. There is another innovation that will be only revealed on the first day of Intermat on the Bomag booth. So come, see you, and welcome to Bomag.
Wow, well, I look forward to that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That's great.
So first, for the mobile machineries, we will exhibit a full electric driveline. So basically what kind of scope of supply we can deliver to OEMs in order to electrify their machineries. Including that, we will also talk about CPAC system, which is a Volvo owned companies, currently working a lot for Volvo, but they will market their know-how in different segment with Volvo Penta, and it's particularly on the productivity of the machines, on the fleet management, on the zone management, on the safety of the machine, where they can deliver a lot of projects based on application and productivity. But what is key also for us at Intermat, as the Volvo Group is starting deliveries of full electric trucks and full electric machines, and many OEMs as well. There is a question about the energy on site that you can get in order to recharge those equipments. And Volvo Penta is a subsystem supplier of DC block, what we call DC block. It's the source of energy to build a battery energy storage system. And for that, we have a lot of assets from the Volvo Group with the batteries, the battery management, the certification, the safety, in order to support OEMs in building the battery energy storage systems. And that's really key to make sure that full electric machines can run a full day with fast charging during lunch, for instance. So if you need a fast charging on a construction site, you cannot get it from the grid. You need something in between, and that's the essence of the battery energy storage systems.
For next year, we will propose an additional electric supply power solution. You can add this little box on all the range, and it's a plug-in solution which can give the possibility to select between the classical combustion engine and the different auto, and this solution when, of course, you have electricity on the site. We have today a mixed concrete solution for which we keep the platform and create a new model and replace the mixed concrete solution by a damper, keep all the other technology, the platform, and finally create a new model, the DM9, so damper, Merlo, and 9 for the load capacity. So it's a new offer for people, and this model have the advantage to offer maneuverability and the possibility, the damper have the possibility to rotate on the left, and facilitate the unloading of the materials.
Yeah, so for LiuGong it's very exciting moment to come, effectively, in Intermat 2024. It will be an unusual booth for LiuGong because we want to specifically show our new technology, a new approach for the construction machinery with 4 green machines, painted in green. Green because we reduce as well the carbon emissions. This will be the main theme for Intermat next year or this year. So yeah, it will be 4 new machines with a new approach. And how to promote this machine, how to talk about charging, how to talk about customers, and develop our image with Intermat and with LiuGong as well. So we launched last year two electric machines. We call it BEV, so battery electric vehicle. So one 856 HE, which is a wheel loader, 20 tonners, 3.4 cubic meters. Some good data in Europe as well, with like 10 to 11 hours autonomy with one charge. So it's high, but it is a voice from customers, and we are very proud of that, and about the performance, about our green machines to come. Yes. And we have as well launched a 9027F E, which is a 2.7 ton minis. So now for Intermat we will have 2 new models, compact wheel loader, the 820 TE, so 6.4 tons, 1.2 cubic meter wheel loader, and the 922 FE, which is a 22 tonners truck excavator.
Quite exciting here for Moog, for Moog Construction.
It's been a great event this week.
Yeah, because we started the preview here with the news that you had a couple of two nominations.
Two nominations.
Innovation
Pretty
Awards.
exciting.
So could you tell me quickly about those two products?
Yeah, thanks, Tom. Yeah, we're really excited. We were nominees for 2 awards today. One for the TerraTech system, which is an all-electric control system, basically dedicated towards OEMs, and the Z-Quip system, which is really a retrofit electrification kit for existing vehicles.
So both around electrification.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me a little bit more detail. So you've got the modular battery system, which is the swappable batteries.
Correct. Yeah, so the Z-Quip system is really a modular type battery system. So again, it's really independent of the type of machine. So it could be different sizes from 5 to 50 tons, and it could be an excavator, could be a track loader, could be a wheel loader. It's really independent, and it's independent also of the OEM or the manufacturer. So we can take an existing machine, we can retrofit it with the right types of modules. We have 2 different sizes, 140 kilowatt, 70 kilowatt, different sizes, different heights, so it fits within the envelopes of the machines. And really the benefit there, or the value to the customers, is their worries is about production or runtime of the machine. So the battery packs, the small modulars, are swappable. They're also fast chargeable in under an hour. So if they need to keep the machine running for the day, they can swap it from machine to machine, or they can take an existing module and replace it on the machine, and they can keep running.
Excellent, very versatile, very useful for rental companies, for retrofitting, but maybe even in the future, this is something that OEMs might want to fit before they even ship these vehicles.
Exactly, yeah. I mean, there's a lot of benefit to the whole sustainability, and Moog's really looking at how to, sustainability works within the construction industry. And both projects that we're doing really about electric systems and zero emission. So whether it's an OEM, a construction company, dealer, rental company, that value chain will stay the same. So they'll be able to work with their existing customers at the construction companies. They'll be able to retrofit the machines and service the Z-Equip system.
And then the second award, the TerraTrack system. That's
TerraTech,
right.
yes.
TerraTech,
yeah.
Not to be confused with TerraTrack. That's something different, right?
Yeah.
The TerraTech system is this is more about the inside, the nuts and bolts, and the control of the machine itself, and very much for the OEM.
Exactly, yeah. For the OEMs, we have the TerraTech system, and you can think of it as a truly all-electric system. So some people are converting machines to zero emission, so battery operated, but we're offering a full electric ecosystem. So that includes an electric vehicle control module, which helps control the energy with the battery management system, and actually works with our motors and electric cylinders to actually control the traction drives, for example, and the lift and the tilt. So again, removes the complete hydraulics and gives you more of almost a robotic type construction vehicle. So lots of control, lots of functionality.
And similarly, sort of usable across different types of machine.
Correct, usable across different machines. So it could be a track loader or skid steer, wheel loader, and so forth. And the good thing about it is it's very scalable and modular. So it uses the same parts. When you take a look at the mechatronics, across those different machines, you'll be using the same parts. So it's very scalable. We're trying to keep the cost down to go electric. So that's something that we think is extremely important, is that we keep the value but keep the cost down, because we want people to move to electric systems.
Absolutely. And already in use by some OEMs, Bobcat, I think, for
Correct,
example,
exactly. The T7X, yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's already out there being used.
Exactly, yes.
More in the future, I'm sure.
Yes.
Excellent, thank you so much.
Great, thank you, Tom. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
The nominees are Aranea, composite base and glass fibers from the Michelin Group. Betolar, Geoprime hollow core slab. Putzmeister with the E-Mixer Iontron. Sateco with the Thermokit. Self-Beton with the concrete filling station. Self-Beton again with the E-Self-2P, the electric concrete mixer trailer. Second category, low carbon and energy transition. Nominees are Marini Group from the Fire Group with the Marini Evo dryer. Moog Construction with Z-Equip. Moog Construction again with TerraTech ecosystem. Multitel with the new electric range, Axon truck mounted platforms, MT 162 Axon and MG 250 Axon. And Novum Tech with the electrical system. Another category, new technologies, which obviously will be very important at Intermat 2024. So the nominees in the new technology categories are Bergerac Monoyer with the digitalization, artificial intelligence and augmented reality for fleet management, the new Bergerac. Chronoflex with on-site hydraulic oil filtration. Kojali with Jaltest Diagnostics AR. Excess Engineering with the electric actuator, a hydraulic-free option. Komatsu with a toolset to commodify a spilled terrain data collection. Moassure with Moassure 1. And 10-star simulation, which is a 10-star virtual training space. In the category Roads, Materials, Industries and Foundations, the nominees are Bomag Fire Group with the Bomag Emergency Brake Assist, DMS with the Excavator Blade Control, EBC, Hermont Fire Group with the TXS, the Ecological Asphalt Plant, Supply Company with their pigment in tablet form, the Virton Group with the recycling of road miling cutting tools. In the next category, earth moving, demolition and transport. Nominees are Congeni with the Evo system applied to quick couplers, DMS Technologies with the sorting grab including carrier tool subgrip, Duratray with the smart tray, Dynaset with the hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket called HRVB, Minitop with the transformer, Stillwrist with the TCX tilt coupler, and Stillwrist again with the OpenS standard. That's it for the nominees. Obviously, some of the nominees are present, so you can ask them about these innovations. In the full press pack, you will have much more details. It was a quick presentations. We have all the details as well, but you will find the details in the press pack that you have today. Thank you very much for coming today again. I hope you enjoy the next 2 days. And I think it's time for lunch. We're in France. Thank you.